Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a comparison test between the Redmi Note 9 Pro versus the Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is a comparison test which I'm doing only for the gamers friends, because most of the comments which I'm getting is that I'm a gamer and I do play PUBG game a lot. So which phone is the best, either the Redmi Note 9 Pro or the Redmi Note 8 Pro? So should you choose the Note 9 Pro over the Note 8 Pro or not? So in this video we'll get to know friends in detail reviews about both the phones. And meanwhile, if you're watching first time this channel friends, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also to check the links in description also friends for the playlist of the wallpapers and playlist of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, Note 8 Pro and other devices. So you can see this is a wallpaper which looks very good for the notch phones and even for the punch hole displays like this, so which is very advantage of using this kind of wallpapers friends. So do check the wallpaper playlist, and it is the recently uploaded videos friends. So if you are interested, check out my channel friends for the latest update of uploaded videos. So you can find anything useful, you can just watch the video friends. And let me compare friends in this video side by side in terms of the gaming. So this review will be overall keeping in my mind that this video dedicated for the gamers friends, not just a comparison. So the first thing is that in terms of the processor, so whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T processor, and whereas the Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 720G processor. So in terms of the AnTuTu benchmark scores, the Redmi Note 8 Pro scores always the top, then the Snapdragon 720G processor, as you can see clearly. So in terms of the performance, I did not feel much difference friends between both the phones, and both the phones doesn't have any 90 Hz refresh rate, and both are having same kind of IPS panel, and both have same 60 Hz refresh rate. And overall the difference is of in terms of the battery. So the phone Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh capacity of battery friends, and whereas the Redmi Note 8 Pro comes with a 4500 mAh of capacity, and both has the same kind of fast charging, 18 watts charging. So if you are a gamer friends, now it's very tough to choose which phone to choose. So if you ask me friends personally, I would like to choose the maybe Note 9 Pro because of having the extra battery, 5000 mAh capacity. Because in my test of PUBG gaming friends, so which I got about 6 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game. So definitely check the video friends in my channel. So which I got 6 hours, and I can say you friends, no other phone whichever I'm having right now has crossed the 6 hour mark benchmark. So most of the phones try to reach 5 hours or maybe 5 hours and 40 minutes or 5 hours 30 minutes, but it did not cross 6 hours, and Redmi Note 9 Pro crossed the 6 hour mark. So that is a good advantage friends. If you are a gamer, you definitely need a huge battery while continuously playing the games. So my advice would be, if you are having the budget, then definitely prefer Note 9 Pro friends in only the battery. So other than that, there is no other advantage in terms of buying the device, of having Super AMOLED or 90 Hz, nothing. So only the battery is good, and both the phones are charging even at same speed, so it doesn't make any sense to choose this mobile. So only it makes sense in terms of buying this mobile is a battery backup, 5020 mAh battery. So that gives you maybe an extra 1 more hour to play the PUBG game. So in my reviews, that is what I found out friends. And definitely do subscribe to my channel if you want to know in-depth reviews both phones. I did plenty of battery draining tests friends while watching videos, while playing game. So plenty of other battery draining tests. So do check the links in description friends. Otherwise just click my channel and you can find plenty of videos, so which I did in those. And that's it for this video friends. Overall my conclusion would be like choosing the Redmi Note 9 Pro over the Note 8 Pro device friends, because of having the huge battery, and which gives you more time to play the games. And even I did a comparison video with the Poco X2 as well, which phone to choose, Poco X2 or Redmi 9 Pro or Pro Max. So definitely subscribe to my channel and check the video friends. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.